So hi all, once again I am back with one more important video regarding TCS update regarding Wings 1 incentive. So guys, as all of you know that when you pass Wings 1 exam, you will get incentive bonus, okay? So guys, this incentive bonus will not be added to your base salary, okay? Let's suppose your package is 3.36, then after getting the incentive, your package will be doubled, around 7 LPA. But this incentive will be getting every month or every quarter, but this will not be your part of base salary, okay? So TCS has found a way through which you can convert this incentive into a base salary. Okay. So about that notification I am going to discuss in this video. Before we move ahead, please subscribe the channel, like this video so that it will be beneficial to everybody. Guys, recently we have got one notification in Novi blog that dear associate, Wings 1 incentive will be merged with CTC on your promotion to C2 grade. This has created a lot of confusion among candidates. They are saying that whether TCS will give incentive right now or not, whether TCS will give incentive after promotion to C2 grade, like that. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that when you complete your 3 years, then you will be promoted to C2 grade. Okay, so when they declared Wings 1 incentive in 2021, then they said that let's suppose you cleared the exam and get your incentive bonus this cycle. Okay, after that in next cycle it depends upon your performance. Let's suppose in next cycle you get C band, so in that case they will stop the incentive and you have to again give the exam to get the incentive. Okay, this rule was totally bad. Okay, so they made some changes to this rule in part 2. So in part 2 what they said that let's suppose you clear the exam Wings 1, okay, you are getting the incentive. In next appraisal cycle, let's suppose you get C band. Okay, so in that case they are not going to stop the incentive, but they are just going to pause your incentive. And let's suppose in next cycle again you are getting C band, then in that case they will stop the incentive. Okay, so you cannot perform bad in continuous 2 appraisal cycles. If you do that, then they will ban your incentive. Okay, now a new rule that they have said that rule 2 will be applied, but let's suppose you are promoted to C2 grade. Okay, if you are promoted to C2 grade and you have completed 3 years in TCS, then after that even if you are performing very bad, that is you are getting C band, then that will not affect your incentive. That is, incentive will be added to your base package. So what they are trying to say that till the time you are not getting C2 grade, till that time you are not required to perform bad, or you are not required to get C band in continuous 2 appraisal cycle. If you do that, they will stop your package, they will stop your incentive. But after getting C2 grade, if you perform very bad, that is you are getting C band, then also your incentive will be with you and you are not required to worry. Okay.